Want to shoot real estate videos that actually sell properties? Here's how. Hey everyone, I'm Remi, your real estate media insider. Today, we're diving into something every NYC agent needs to master: essential real estate videography tips to elevate your listings. If your videos aren't getting the eyeballs and the offers you're hoping for, stick around. I'm about to break down 5 common videography mistakes and how to fix them. Here's the first place agents get this wrong: forgetting the power of sequence. A successful real estate video doesn't just show rooms, it tells a story. Too often, I see videos start right in the middle of a crowded kitchen instead of setting the stage with the block vibe reveal or exterior shots that build anticipation. Start with the neighborhood, then move to the building's facade, and let the viewer experience walking through the door. Remember, NYC requires context before interior. A viewer needs to feel the environment before they're ready to embrace the space. Another problem I see constantly is the excessive reliance on wide-angle lenses. While wide angles can sometimes stretch a tiny studio into looking like a spacious loft, there's a fine line before it feels like a lie. Use wide shots sparingly and wisely. Focus on capturing honest angles over heroic angles, spotlighting the actual flow and feeling of the space. Potential buyers want authenticity, not fantasy square footage. Keep it real, and you'll gain their trust. The third mistake sneaks up on people: poor lighting. Yes, it's NYC, natural light can be tricky, but dark and gloomy videos won't sell a thing. Enhance your interior shots by shooting during the golden hours and utilizing supplemental lighting where necessary. This isn't about over-illuminating every corner, but about balancing light to enhance the space's charm. Make sure you're capturing the space's best features with clean, consistent lighting. Here's something most NYC agents never think about: audio quality. Street noise is the city's soundtrack, but it shouldn't disrupt the narrative. A great video needs clean audio to keep viewers engaged. Use external mics and consider recording voiceovers during quieter times. Every micro-hook moment in your video should be sounded out clearly so the viewer stays connected with your story. And finally, one last mistake that derails entire listings is cutting corners on editing. Good editing isn't just about trimming clips. It's about pacing that feels right and transitions that guide the viewer with a rhythm. Rushed edits can confuse and lose potential buyers. Focus on building a seamless flow, highlighting emotional payoff moments, and maintaining viewer engagement from start to finish. Create a hero shot hierarchy to keep attention where it matters most. Master these critical areas, and your real estate videos won't just be viewed, they'll be remembered. You've got all the tools to make your next listing video shine and attract serious buyers. Remember, attention is the most valuable square footage. Use it well.